After the iPad update to iPadOS 16, Remote Management pops up, and you need to log into the Remote Management account to unlock the iPad. This video will show you how to remove Remote Management on the iPad. Get PassFab iPhone Unlocker from the link in the description. Connect your iPad to the computer. Launch PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Select Bypass MDM. Click the Start option. Wait for the bypass of MDM to complete. OK, iPad restore is complete. Set up your iPhone. OK, that's the Bypass MDM on the iPad. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.